ह्या दिसाची उनवणीत परबी आणि तुमका सगळ्याक मना काळजातल्यान येवकार दिता. पंचायतीन आयोजित केल्ल्या या दुसऱ्या इंटर स्कूल स्पोर्ट्स फेस्टाक तुम्ही आतुरतायेन वाट पळयतात. गेल्ल्या वर्सा साकून या स्पोर्ट्साची स्टार्ट केल्ले. पंचायतीन ऑल राउंड डेव्हलपमेंट करता आसतना एज्युकेशन मळाचेर, स्पोर्ट्स मळाचेर, सोशल मळाचेर तशेंच कल्चरल मळाचेर सगळ्या क्षेत्रांत आपल्या परीन काम केला. आणि हे काम करता आसतना आमकां सदांच आमचे स्थानिक आमदार मायकल सर हांचे कडच्यान सहकार्य सदांच मेळटा. हातांत हात घालून म्हणटा तशें आमी एकमेका संग रावन ह्या कलंगूट पंचायती क्षेत्रात डेव्हलपमेंट करपाचो प्रयत्न करतात. जावं तो स्पोर्ट्सान जावं तो शैक्षणीक मळार जावं तो रोड या आनी कसलेय हे करता आसतना आज चड चड खुश भोगता की आमी आयज स्पोर्ट्स मळाचेर आमच्या ह्या माणकुली जी भुरगीं आसात तांचे खातीर तांचे जे टॅलंट आसात तांचे कडेन जी कला आसा ती भायर करपाक तांचे खातीर हो आयज प्लॅटफॉर्म केल्लो आसा. सेगीत 3 दीस हो स्पोर्ट चालू उरतलो.
On behalf of, as a block development officer, I'd like to welcome our honorable MLA, Mr. Michael Lobo, our Sarpanch, Shri Joseph Siqueira, Deputy Sarpanch, Srimati Geeta Lakshman Parab, आणि तसेच आमचे सगळे पंच मेंबर. तांच्यांनी हो मोठा उत्साहान ह्यो तुमच्या खातीर प्रोग्राम ऑर्गनायज केल्लो आहा. तशेंच सगळ्या भुरग्यांनी बऱ्यांतले बरे या प्रोग्रामान पार्टिसिपेट करून बऱ्यांतली बरी बक्षिसां जिखची.
None of the panchayats they have a sports festival. None panchayat. I have seen in the last 20 years no panchayats organizes sports festival. So it is a very good initiative started by Village Panchayat of Kalangut. It is an eye opener for all the panchayats to take up sports not only at school level but panchayat level also they should take up, and this is a good initiative. And I congratulate the Sarpanch and his entire team, and I wish all the best to all the students over here. Thank you.
Everything our secretary has said, and Mr. Lobo, our MLA, also has said. Thank you all for coming over here in large numbers, and let's keep the spirit of our second inter-school sports fiesta happening. I thank Swapnesh Vengankar, my Panchayat members, who is the brand ambassador for Kalangut Panchayat. So you can give a big clap for Swapnesh, right? And all the other persons who have organized it. And I especially thank all the schools. We have 8 schools now. Today only morning I have received another call from another school saying that why you have left us out. So we said that the next, the third year where we are having inter-school sports, we will accommodate you all, I said. And with these few words, I thank you.